Hi, this is Paula Ram. Are you ready for the next simple hairstyle tutorial for busy moms? Today's tutorial is the tails up style. Super easy, you can do it in seconds and be ready for the day. Okay, I've got my hair in a tails up style right now. It will look different depending on if your hair is straight or curly or wavy. It'll look different for everyone, or how long it is. If you have super long hair, I recommend watching my tutorial of the tails up bun. That's a way to do a tails up for super long hair. It's just a fun little trick, so go find that video if you have super long hair. Okay, so first I'm going to take out my Flexi. Okay. This is the magic tool for easy, beautiful hair in seconds. Okay, so for a tails up, first you gather all your hair back in a ponytail, and then you'll just twist it up. Okay. And then you take your Flexi. You have the pin go along the scalp on one side of the twist and come out on the other side. It should be nice and tight and secure. Okay, and then you can just arrange the ends of your hair however they lie, and voila, you are done. Simple, seconds. It's super comfortable. You won't feel it the rest of the day. You're done. Easy. Get on with more important things in your life. So I hope this helps you create the beautiful life you were made for, ladies. Bye.